Hello, everyone. It's Maria Russell here with you today, and thank you for stopping by. I am back today for Not Too Shabby, and I will be showcasing the stamp sets and other components from the June box. So this is the stamp set that I'm using today called Hugs and Fishies, and I will be using the seahorse and the sentiment, a couple of dies from my stash, the new Slimline pattern paper from the June box, and this ink by Lawn Fawn with the blending brush and my art glitter glue. I've already stamped and colored the images because I wanted this to just be quick and simple for you, and I've used my scan and cut machine to die cut the images. So we will just be working on assembling the card today. This is pretty much self-explanatory, so I will just leave you guys alone and put some music on, and I'll be right back after the card making is done. To add a little bit more contrast, I decided to add the coral that I die cut in orange, and then also use the sequin mix that is included in the June box. And to finish this card design, I've already stamped the sentiment from the Hugs and Fishies stamp set, and it says we will never lose each other. I thought that was really perfect for the seahorse facing each other. And adhering the sentiment using my tape runner on top of the frame there, and I really love how this card turned out. So To adorn this card further and to finish the design, I'm just adding a few sequins from the sequin mix that is included in the June box. So this is our underwater scene card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be so grateful if you would do so and click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy crafting!